This girl has a straight growing lashes, so I'll use CC curl for her. So I'll put spikes first. I usually use 3 closed fans to create 1 spike. I think here will be 7 spikes per eye. It will be length 13 with the same distance between each spike. Thickness 0.1. Okay, I'll still doing spikes. It's black lashes. And my client want to make classic full set, so price will be like for classic, and it takes the same time for classic. For a more natural look, I put 12s between spikes to make lashes more natural, more neat. And then I glue in just 0.1 thickness, 12 length. Oh no, not 12, 11 length between spikes for main layer for Kim Kardashian effect. I'll glue like 75% of lashes, 11s, 0.1, and to the inner corner I'll put lashes from 7 to 11 for sure, to make her inner corner more short, more neat, more natural. I prefer CC curl for this girl, because if I'll make D curl it will be okay, but her lashes will look too dramatic for her, not so natural. But if I'll use C curl, her lashes will look more cat eye, you know, more long eyes. But we want to make natural, like not too open, not too narrow look. That's why I prefer 0.1 CC curl. Also, you can use dark brown lashes for this photo type of this girl. Okay, now I'll keep going with inner corner. I love to put 7s in the inner corner, like couple of 7s, couple of 8s, couple of 9s, and the rest of them 10s. I didn't use any other colors, not any other curls, just only 0.1 CC curl, black ones, because it's not for photo session, it's just my regular work which I do every day, and it takes less than 2 hours, maybe 2 hours with everything. If you want to know more, if you need more information, I'll put link in my description where you can buy my full lash extension course, which contain classic volume, hyper volume, photo editing, making fans, making spikes, and a lot of information. It's not expensive. It contains 10 lessons. Each of lessons usually like have 1 hour of information, so it will be like 10 hours of very important information. And after this course you'll know a lot of lash extension. I'm sure that you will be very cool lash artist in your city. Okay, our lashes are almost done, and we just brushing them. It's very nice, very beautiful lashes. I'll send a link where you can buy these brushes. This is my gorgeous girl with spiky look. It's classic lash extension and I love it. Thank you for watching video.